Hi, I just wanted to get on here real quick and show you how I like to sprout some pepper seeds. So this container, I think it had lunch meat in it or even a sandwich. So let's turn this around, I'll show you what I'm doing. Alicia peppers, I did these October 30th. These were from Baker Creek, so they weren't a trade. I love to do trades, but sometimes you want the seeds right from the source. Okay, so a container. All I did was a napkin. I wet it down with some water with a spray bottle. And I put these Alicia pepper seeds in here. And it took, I'll put the date of today on it. These have been sprouted for a little bit actually. They germinated a while ago, now they're ready to go into soil. So I think I'll be doing this more. Oh, and I also put them on the fridge for the bottom heat because I don't have a heat mat yet. But I am excited for this. This is really pretty. This is not mold. Fuzzy stuff. It's not mold. It's just how it germinates. Do you guys know what the name of that is? Some of the sprouts are still holding on to their little seed. Don't rip it off. Let them do it. You rip it off, you could chance breaking the whole thing. I just wanted to show you a really quick way to do that.